On the 21st day of their sit-in protest at Malki Ground, Shillong, members of the All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association ended their demonstration. This decision came after the state government agreed to address their long-standing demands, which the association unanimously accepted. Notably, a Rationalisation Committee was recently established to specifically address the concerns of the SSA's non-teaching staff. Speaking to reporters today, the association's president, Jennifer Sanrem, announced that the protest was called off after the state government conceded to most of their demands. These include an annual 5% salary increment, the implementation of a uniform basic pay for staff members, and additional benefits such as an employee's provident fund.
Lord, we thank you for the food, we thank you for the water, we thank you for the shelter you've given us, Lord. We thank you, oh Father, oh Lord, oh Father, the better things, oh Lord, the future, Lord, help us, Lord Jesus, Lord, that we may always stay together.
Ka daw bangimut banweng no ekani ka jinge khi ke jongi ngani ka sit in demonstration ka balaya mental ar pois ni kalong namar bang ila yo ekita ki jing dawa ki jongi kamut kata ka R% seniority ke jongi nilayo ya kata ka 100% annual increment man usnam nilayo ho ya kata ka 80% te kamdan long than tang ban re nilayo pa de ka base pay ke jongi kamut ka base pay nilaya la ban penrikat menta itu uba join dang menta unum ya ringkat chu badu tu bala join khat fras nem ne khat news nem shwa ti kamut kelap pher ka jingya salary jongi na kata ka daw ni call off no ya kani ka agitation ke jongi ting ai kublei ningkong ning shap ru ya u chief minister badan from jongi namar bula ai kata ka lat bon shna ya kani ka committee ka bon ka rationalisation committee namar ya kani ka committee hi kan yai im but hadin sans nem ngin se ya kendo lang ngimar balai lada kemdan kani ka committee ru ni kinum yo ekni ki jing dawa jongi na lor jongi ni ki jing dawa jongi ngila yo pada saka EPFO ngila explore the possibility bangin yo ya ka EPF ka jongi ka bangin na preng jongi shiteng ki staff ki bayo ya ka tulom ngimpat juyo EPF tenaka ta daw ki ong bangin ni aya ka EPF kalong kum ka security yang imo tenang ta pade na lor ngin yo saka ngin la ban categorizing hi haka MHIS ka bating ting hi hapan yang lan bajrong mo bagating ting ni las mo ban thaj ban ni em to na mangim la ban ni yang lan man kasi kap daw ko long ba ni bun ka kam ka jam jongi kin sadan special consideration sa nang tap de ki bun ki we de ki bang hap ban du rei mentang ila dang ban yo ling ba jo ni rationalisation committee ke jongi hoi ni la yo na ka jing tho nai under secretary jongi bat kata ka address state project director jongi tingi layo ya kata kila share di commissioner secretary but the state project director yangi haki whatsapp message ki jongi but ya ka hard copy ngidang up menta namar ka de ka jimbang hun na preng nangi namar ka don tiat kan sa ram namar ban penbet ya ka kam ka balarim ka de ka ba e tang hapereng arpois ni don kam ya ka live nai ka sau bunai nrei hapreng arpois ni ban pendam kalong ka ba e tenaka ta ka daw kan sa kelan kan sa jenjar hadu kan ni niru kadai namar belai ni hapan penya biang ko boong ngamo don ki block level ki ba staff ki ba yo tang minimal living wage ru ki yo prahajar 10,000 kam kot tena kata daw ki ko ban penrengkat hakan ni rationalisation committee pada ngila penrengkat don ki tu belah he ka tulom ngila penrengkat no ngila penya biang no bat menta kala biang bat block level state level, district level, kila awan at par ke kan mdon syuk tu gap ke.
The ICFAI University Meghalaya admission open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs. UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFAI University Meghalaya Shillong campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.